Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to create texture by adding a subtle pattern as a background image. One way to add texture and interest to a background and to have it stand out more is to add subtle pattern. The key is balance, as you don't want the background to stand out too much and take away from the foreground. The background property supports the URL function in order to link a image of the chosen texture or pattern. The link address is wrapped in quotes inside the parentheses. Using the URL of, they give us this URL here. I'm just copying it right now. We set the background of the whole page to the body selector. Okay, so the body selector is the main selector. If we were to right click here and go inspect, we would see that in HTML documents, you start with your HTML, and then inside of that is a head and a body. And so this body is actually for the whole web application that we're looking at. And so what we're doing is using this as the selector. This is actually a subdirectory. So the HTML, this window right here is its own small little window. And so the head here, but then the body is this whole thing. And so if we set this body selector here, it manages to select styles for this entire area. And so we just want to write in here the background URL. So we're setting the background, and we want that to be equal to the URL of this one. And I think that works. Okay, and so if we were to open a new window and visit this page, we would see that this is the image of what we have. And so this background URL simply just lays that out over and over and over again by calling this imager PNG file. And so I think that that'll pass if we run the tests. Great. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.